kuga ati njikirwo thimu conference twarie tutingiaria nake riu ni ani crossire na gutire mundu uri wakinya to that level ero tutingiaria nake oku ararumeire mami ni acoke oku na ni ndakaherere kabangi ukirire uga akirumbe na mukingo kana kiundu kingi no mami no igwa mami ona ndanginjoi koguo ndangiuma na wakuruma. Yeah, it can't happen. Na mundu othe ukoragwo irete hau na ndakwira riu reke ngwire andu aria me haha ona korwo ni roja urumite mami tutingiiguana gutingithi uguo ona korwo ni baba ucinurite mami. It cannot happen. A woman is a no-go zone, and I swear that lady is gonna know she's dealing with a stupid bitch. Kwanza nie dire mudhomu take gomwaka doro tamai guyeyo malaya wewe
amudhoni ari hautana bago thimenya head comment section mako makwendete no na mekoro ni mararuga nawe. They are standing with you, they're saying they love you so much, just to let you know, so you know at least you have us.
Ona ithu turugamita ni undu wa mami witu.
Atumia is a no-go zone. No Kenya ndo nemetu ya hau kuhothagia atumia hau komatu atakataka. Gutingethi uguo. Bwasha ici cokio no. Ona ni nyonyende kino nyendikiria ngua ndi magurire. Stupid woman.
Aiko mundu ucio ni wakigua ni mururi. Gwizia nikio tararirikana, atarona andu aria atumia tari andu.
Gwizia tari mundurume.
Riu ni ona ni mundurume ketiketule. Niketule.
Na mudhoni ndogetikire conference call ishekagira andu. Ethaga murata waku awikira conference call agacoka agakurekodi agatumira bloggers ciake. Don't agree to speak to that woman.
Hey, I have nothing to lose. Let me tell you, Nyawera, you record me in the room, you record me naked. I said, and I keep it straight, and even God knows, and even my followers know. Near the dark in your house, but you come to the lane of my mother, my parents, my child. What am I? I'm as good as dead. If that woman is so humble. Leave her alone. Stupid. Because if she won by insulting my mother, they will name nake. Tika ujibu wagati na goons. Ati adhiaga na goons. Aki uragazi na kesi abdaktagari kagatia. Bring those goons on. If it's power of the pussy, I have it. If it's the power of money, I will get it. If it's the power of fame, I will buy. Stupid woman. Respect women. Na tomushi ali wako ania tumia kode. Na